Hey guys, it's me, Zaria.
And it's me, Raiha. And today we're going to be doing
We're going to be unboxing the Elsa Frozen 2 doll.
Okay. We're going to unbox the Elsa Frozen 2 doll today because since from before we unboxed the LOMG doll Candylicious. If you want to watch this video and you haven't, it's in the description down below.
And we're going to be pushing that away.
Okay.
And we're going to do the Elsa
Singing doll.
No, not singing doll.
The Elsa Frozen 2.
Yes, not singing doll.
I'll open
Over here.
one side, you open the other.
No.
No.
Whoa! She has glittery shoes.
What's baby? What's the letter? I was just about to say that. Okie dokie. Just scissors. First.
Yeah, make scissors. Bring the scissors.
Thank you. If you are younger than us, then please be careful with the scissors. Bye bye. Okay.
Okay, now it's the time. We don't need
Don't
to
cut off her cape or her dress or her hair or anything else.
Yes.
Except for the thing that's supposed to be cut off.
Snip.
Okay, your first foot is out.
Oh, it's okay.
Okie dokie.
They made it broken.
Oh no, it's like this.
No, it's like right over there. They made it broken.
Oh yeah, for the home. Okie dokie.
Okay, now let's get her hands out so she can sing.
Okay.
Okay, gonna put
I'll
this
hold
on.
this. I'll hold this.
So,
Now cut it. Okay, snip.
Okay, now she can move her
And
head.
her legs. Oh, we forgot to do her waist, like right here.
Yeah, because she's
Make sure you don't cut the dress.
yes.
Oops.
That's okay. We're gonna be very careful. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna be very careful.
You want to cover her cape off? Okay, there we go.
And
Oh wait.
wait, what?
Oh, we have to take her.
On it? Whoa!
Almost out. Take her.
Got you.
There you go. And there.
Whoa! So this is the doll, and she's actually a singing doll. She's a continue singing doll.
That's all she sings.
Yes. So if make sure to like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the movies. Yes. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
Peace.